having lots of problems with turn signals in this thing, so I replaced the cam part, but these little fingers here just don't seem to reach these bolts. So for that, we are now going to replace the whole switch. Now, first, we got to figure out how to get this out. There are 3 screws here, so let's start with those. There's one. These are very tight. That's probably not good. There's 2 and 3. All right. So the new one comes with this hazard light part. And then we can take this out. Okay. We got that. What is that? Looks like 1 screw. Little metal tab. Straight down. If you can see it, it is a metal tab. Way down in there. See the tab at the bottom? This is the wire here. Whoops. This is the wire here we need. So I'm going to loosen this, I think. I'm going to loosen this, I think. Probably this. So let's do that. I'll start by taking these out. Hopefully, my steering wheel doesn't freaking fall out. I'm always surprised by how loose everything is in this car. Oh, yeah, a little bolt there. There's another loop here, it looks like. Alright, got these ones. I can't see. Yeah, that work. Come on. That's how the spin. Alright, let me take out the other side. Yep. Some more bolts. Yeah. This is probably going badly. Okay, what we got? There we go. Okay, now we gotta get this off, which is freaking awesome because I just put it on. There's a little metal clip up inside here. Come on. I'll be breaking things. I had it, but I lost it. See it? Alright, what's that? Alright. Oh, come on, it's right there. There we go. Alright, this comes off. Oops, sorry. Where is the clip? Okay. That. Okay. So now we gotta get this apart. Without breaking it. Well, I think it's already broken. see right there. Yeah, it's broken already. All right, let's do the other side. All right. So this goes through here. Like that. All right. So then this whole thing should come out. There we go. So there's the piece I replaced. There's the little fingers that are too short. Hazards. And then I assume that's some kind of ignition. So there's the old one. Here is the new one. Let me get it turned around here so it's facing the same way. So there's the cam. Those look the same. My hazards. Not particularly fond of that button, but that's all right. And this does not look anything the same. So I wonder if this comes off. It does. Maybe. Hey, hold on a second. Since I'm on camera, I gotta be a little more professional instead of just smashing things. All right, I don't know if that's just a shipping piece to protect it or what, but I don't think we need it. That looks pretty good. Like I said, the rest I think should be okay. The end plug looks pretty good too. I think it matches up pretty well. All right, let's did this. Okay, there goes nothing. Goes this way. Slide that in there. That. Oh, hold on. Did I take that out? Yeah, that's gotta come out. So that comes out. All right. Gently. You know what? Hold on. I don't know why I'm always doing crap in the dark. All right, so this goes in there. But those don't fit. Hazard's way down here. Oh crap, that's too short. All right. Still too short. All right, go. There we go. Hey, gross. I need that. All right. You gotta come around back. Here we go. Hazard's way down there. It goes in there. It's still too damn short. Let's try again. There we go. All right, you go in there. All right. You There, go on. Okay. All right. Doesn't look centered. That looks better. All right, around the side here, there seems to be a hole way down in there that, there's the old one. This pin here has to go into a hole down there, like that. So you have to hold that pin in down there. So, let's screw this in. Gross. All right. Of course, it's going to be impossible to get this screw in. I think they could have picked a better place to put that screw. Break off those little tabs. I'll be right back to where I started. I want to over tighten them. All right, let's go down below, hook up some stuff, and see what happens. All right, now we're back down below. So this has to go through here. Oh, of course. Come on. It came out. Go back in. Oh, there we go. Make sure not to get a kink or a knot up here. All right. This plugs back into here. All right, so now we got to put all the bolts back in. Oops, too far. Oh, you can't see, can you? Come on, up out of the way. Let's get that up out of the way. You gotta tie it up here anyway, so I don't hit it with my foot. I'm trying to break or something. It's gotta be tight, just up. There. Okay, back to the bolts. One there, one there. Over there. Over here. No. Let's take those up. Definitely don't want that coming off as I'm going down the road. All right, let's put this back on. It goes this way. Alright, side. Let's get this side. Good news. Oh. Where'd you fit this side? There we go. Look outside. Again, working in the dark. All right. That's it for under here. Now let's go back up top. I hooked the battery back up. No spark shot out anywhere. So that seems to work okay. If I pull the hazards, go out and look. They are flashing. All right, let's try them. Down. Now the side markers don't work yet, but that's a whole nother video. Got some flashing in the back. Oh. I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but they're flashing in the front. And then the part that was broken before, the start of this whole thing, was up. It stays up, that's good. Let's go to the back. Got some flashing over there. Got some flashing there. So overall, I would say, it's a success. Not as hard as I thought it was going to be, but again, stand by. Another video is coming for the side markers.